Do you know how many types of animals are there in the world? Welcome to a journey of discovery and wonder as we dive into the captivating realm of the animal kingdom. This world is teeming with life in all shapes and sizes, from the tiniest insects to the largest whales. There are millions of different species of animals on our planet, each with their own unique characteristics, fascinating habits, and intriguing ways of life. Some are covered in feathers, some in fur, and others in scales. Some roam the land, others soar through the sky, and many dwell beneath the waves. They inhabit every corner of our world, from the highest peaks to the deepest ocean trenches, and from the hottest deserts to the coldest polar ice caps. They're all part of this amazing tapestry of life that we share. Isn't it fascinating to think about all the different types of animals that exist? Scene script. Have you ever wondered what makes a mammal a mammal? Well, let's embark on an exciting journey to uncover the fascinating world of mammals. Mammals are a unique group of animals that share certain characteristics. They're warm-blooded, which means they can control their body temperature, keeping it steady regardless of the weather. So, whether it's a chilly winter morning or a scorching summer day, mammals can adjust their body temperature to stay cozy or cool. One of the most distinctive features of mammals is their skin. It's covered in hair or fur, making them the only group of animals with this feature. Think of the soft fluffiness of a rabbit or the sleek fur of a cheetah. That's a signature trait of mammals. But mammals have more than just fur coats. They also have special teeth that are designed for their specific diets. Herbivores like cows have flat, grinding teeth for munching on plants, while carnivores like lions have sharp, pointed teeth for tearing meat. Mammals have a unique way of bringing their young into the world, too. Unlike other animals that lay eggs, most mammals give birth to live young. The baby, or joey, of a kangaroo is so tiny when it's born that it's no bigger than a jelly bean. Some mammals, like elephants, have long gestation periods. An elephant carries her baby for nearly 2 years before giving birth. That's the longest pregnancy in the animal kingdom. On the other hand, dogs, which are also mammals, have a much shorter gestation period of about 2 months. And let's not forget about whales. Yes, whales are mammals too. They may live in the ocean, but they share the same key characteristics as their land-dwelling counterparts. They're warm-blooded, have hair, though it's very sparse, give live birth, and even nurse their young. So from the largest elephant to the smallest shrew, from the domesticated dog to the wild whale, mammals are a diverse and fascinating group. They may live in different habitats and have different diets, but they all share these key traits that make them mammals. Next time when you see a furry friend, remember it's a mammal. Can you name a few birds from your surroundings? That's right, birds are all around us, in our backyards, parks, forests, and even in our cities. They're a fascinating part of our world with their vibrant colors, diverse shapes, and enchanting songs. Birds are unique in many ways, and one of their most extraordinary qualities is their ability to fly. Unlike most other animals, birds have wings and feathers that allow them to take to the skies. Some birds, like the majestic eagle, can soar high above the clouds, while others, like penguins, have wings that are better suited for swimming. Isn't that interesting? Speaking of feathers, did you know that they are exclusive to birds? That's right! Feathers serve multiple purposes. They help birds fly, keep them warm, and even play a role in attracting mates. Have you ever seen a peacock fan out its tail? That's a fantastic display of feathers at work. Now, let's talk about beaks. Birds have beaks instead of teeth, and these beaks come in all sorts of shapes and sizes. The shape of a bird's beak gives us clues about what it eats. For example, eagles have sharp, curved beaks for tearing meat, while parrots have strong, curved beaks that are perfect for cracking nuts and seeds. And then there are the penguins. These adorable birds might not be able to fly, but they're excellent swimmers. Their beaks are long and straight, perfect for catching fish in the icy waters of the Antarctic. Birds are also known for their communication skills. Many birds can mimic sounds, and some, like parrots, can even mimic human speech. Have you ever heard a bird singing and wished you could understand what it's saying? Well, bird songs are their way of communicating. often used to attract mates or warn others of danger. Birds come in all shapes and sizes, from the tiny hummingbird to the towering ostrich. Their diversity, combined with their unique abilities, makes them a fascinating part of the animal kingdom. From their ability to fly to their distinctive song, birds truly are a testament to the beauty of the animal kingdom, aren't they? What do you think of when you hear the word reptile? Some of you might imagine a slithering snake, a sunbathing turtle, or a snap-happy crocodile. These are all fantastic examples of reptiles, a group of animals that are as intriguing as they are diverse. Reptiles are unique creatures with a few distinctive characteristics that set them apart from other animals. One of their most recognizable traits is their scaly skin. Unlike mammals that have fur or birds that have feathers, reptiles are covered in scales, a feature that helps them survive in a variety of environments, from arid deserts to lush rainforests. Now let's talk about another fascinating aspect of reptiles, their eggs. Most reptiles lay eggs, and these eggs are quite different from the ones you might find in a bird's nest. Reptile eggs have a tough, leathery shell, designed to protect the baby reptile inside from the harsh elements. Here's another cool fact about reptiles. They're cold-blooded. This means their body temperature changes with the temperature of their surroundings. So if a reptile is in a hot place, its body will heat up, and if it's in a cold place, its body will cool down. This is why you often see reptiles basking in the sun. They're trying to warm up. Let's meet some of our reptilian friends. Snakes, for instance, are a diverse group of reptiles known for their elongated bodies and lack of limbs. Turtles, on the other hand, are famous for their hard shells that protect them from predators. And then there are crocodiles, the fearsome water-dwelling reptiles with powerful jaws. Reptiles might seem a little scary at first, but they're really fascinating creatures. From their scaly skin to their ability to adapt to different temperatures, there's a lot to admire about these remarkable animals. So the next time you see a reptile, remember, they're not just interesting to look at, they're also important members of our animal kingdom. Did you know that some animals can live both in water and on land? Yes, you heard that right. These fascinating creatures are known as amphibians, a word derived from the Greek language meaning double life. Isn't that fascinating? Now let's dive deeper, or should we say hop into the world of these amazing dual citizens of our planet. One of the most intriguing features of amphibians is their ability to breathe. Unlike us, who use our lungs to breathe in air, many amphibians can breathe through their skin. This is possible because their skin is moist and thin, allowing oxygen to pass directly into their bloodstream. Imagine being able to breathe through your skin. Another unique feature of amphibians is their life cycle. Most amphibians start their lives as tiny eggs in the water, which then hatch into tadpoles. These tadpoles, much like fish, have gills and fins, but as they grow, they undergo a remarkable transformation known as metamorphosis. They develop legs, lose their tails, their gills disappear, and lungs develop. Voila, they're ready to step on land. And did you realize that amphibians are cold-blooded? Yes, they are. Unlike mammals who can regulate their body temperature, amphibians' body temperature changes with their environment. If it's cold outside, their body gets cold, and if it's hot, their body gets hot. This is why you often find them basking in the sun, trying to warm up. Now let's meet some of our amphibian friends. You're probably familiar with frogs, who are famous for their jumping abilities and their ribbit-ribbit sounds. Then we have salamanders, who look like lizards but are actually amphibians. They're known for their bright colors and their ability to regenerate lost body parts. And let's not forget newts, a type of salamander, who live part of their lives in water and part on land. Amphibians are truly the best of both worlds, aren't they? They're a living testament to the extraordinary adaptability and diversity of life on our planet. Isn't nature amazing? Wow, we've learned so much about the animal kingdom today. We've journeyed across the vast landscapes of the mammalian world, from the tallest giraffes to the smallest mice, and discovered their warm-blooded wonders. We've soared high with the birds, marveling at their feathery finesse and the symphony of songs they bring to our world. We've slithered into the world of reptiles, understanding their scaly secrets and the importance of cold-blooded coolness. We've hopped along with amphibians, those incredible creatures that straddle both land and water, and learned about their unique life cycles. Each of these groups of animals, so diverse and yet so interconnected, plays a vital role in our ecosystem. They each bring something special to the world, just as you do. So, let's appreciate them, respect them, and continue to learn about them. Remember, every animal, big or small, has a role to play in our world. So keep exploring, keep learning, and keep respecting all creatures.